What's up, guys? It's your boy Mike, Hawk Crypto Mining, and today we're going to be taking a bite out of Chia with the brand new Evergreen miner. The boys over at Evergreen sent me a brand new 12 terabyte unit, the starter pack. It's amazing, but first, before we get into it, we got to roll the intro and we got to roll the ad, so let's get to it. Fluxpools.net would like to announce a new weekly lottery for loyal miners that support their project. As you might already know, Fluxpools is operated by the people from the Flux team as they want to provide a safe and transparent mining experience. While the Flux project does not take directly from the pool, they do give a portion of the fees back to the Flux project because they understand that both the project and the miners are what makes this pool possible. Fluxpools has given away nearly 5,000 Flux a month back to miners. The new Flux lottery gives 5 lucky winners $50 each in Flux each week when you have a 95% uptime on your rig. There will also be a bi-weekly winner who maintains 99.5% uptime. That winner will receive 1.7 kilosouls of hash rate for 48 hours to their wallet. Fluxpools has also announced a 0% mining fee and 1% parallel asset fee forever. This on top of the weekly loyalty program. You can also earn up to 3 Flux per week. That giveaway prize will be sent directly to the mining address and nowhere else. Furthermore, Fluxpools.net has just launched a Neoxa pool with a miner loyalty program where you can earn up to 1,000 Neoxa for up to 1 gigahash each week with 0% mining fee for the first 30 days. Please do not mine directly to an exchange as your rewards may be lost as a result. Come see why Fluxpools.net is a great place to mine. So before we get into the review of the Evergreen miner, I want you guys to know a little bit about Chia before we get started. Chia was founded in 2018 by the same guy who developed BitTorrent. Now, Chia is not technically proof of work. They're actually something called proof of time and space. Time and space? Man, what the are you talking about? Well, I'll tell you what I'm talking about. You don't actually mine with Chia, you farm it. Plotting is proof of space, while farming is proof of time. That's how they work their consensus method. Actually, pretty cool. They use storage as a way to farm on their network. So in essence, the more space you have, the more money you make. So, okay, we got that out of the way. Let's get into the review. Now, the one cool thing I love about this product is it's so easy to set up. I mean, you take it out the box, you download the app, you're farming. It's that simple. So let me break it down how you have to do it. So when you open up your starter kit, you're gonna see 2 things. You're gonna see the hub and the drive. Now the hub has an Ethernet, 4 USBs and power, and then the drive is obviously just a USB and power. Now each drive has its own power, but Evergreen is really cool, and they give you this really cool splitter system here, comes in the box. Then they give you the 1 USB, and you get a green Ethernet cord as well. My green Ethernet cord is plugged into my switch because I had to unplug it to do the video, but it's pretty cool. They give you everything you need to get started. Now, before you plug it in, download the app. So let me walk you guys through how to get that set up. Real quick, before we get to the setup, I wanted to show you guys this because this is actually pretty cool. 10 hard drives plus a hub only pulling 82 watts. It looked like it spiked there to 82.9, but it came back down to 82. And that is pretty awesome. So, okay, let's get to the setup. Okay, guys, so we're at evergreenminer.com/setup-evergreen. Guys, very, very easy to understand. Now, obviously, I have a different connection back here, but it's relatively all the same. So you take everything out like I explained, you connect it. Okay, so we'll move down. Now, red means the hub is offline. Blue means it needs additional setup, which means you haven't finished. And green means everything is good and the money is coming in. So let's go to step 3 because that's where you get to the app. Now, the app is really easy. Now, here's what I recommend. Download the app first. If you can plug it in via Ethernet, do that first and then set up the Wi-Fi. It's really easy, guys. They walk you right through it. Okay, so you would go to set up device, make sure you hit your Wi-Fi network, make sure you're connected, and it's good to go. So you claim the device. Now I'm gonna read this because it does get a little confusing. So you're gonna click the action setup account. You will need to make and confirm an account with your Evergreen. Note, this is entirely separate from the wallet you made. Okay, so the account and the wallet are completely different. Click the action, claim device. This action links your account to your device so no one else can access it. You can securely access it while away from home. It's pretty cool, actually. You can see what's going on, kind of like how Hive OS is. This is what it reminds me of a little bit. Click the action, set up farming, ensure your device has the proper configuration to begin farming. Guys, I'm telling you, mad easy. Step 5, check the homepage and monitor earnings. Once the widget says farming, setup is complete. And that's it. I'm telling you, it's mad easy. These guys made it so easy to get this thing up and going. Now, if you do run into any issues, God forbid, the Evergreen guys are easy to talk to. You can hit them up on Twitter. They have their Discord channel. And that, honestly, guys, gives me a lot of confidence in this product. One thing I'm not sure that I touched on earlier in the video is that the drives come pre-plotted. So you don't have to plot your drives when you're getting ready to farm. So I wasn't sure if I mentioned that in the video or not. Okay, so congratulations. You made it to the end of this video, which means you're up and you're farming. So a couple things that I wanted to point out about the company and the product just to conclude this video. So one cool thing that I actually like is the logo acts as a lock. So it snaps in place and you're good. Another cool thing about this company, guys, is that they give you a 90-day warranty. They have a Discord. I'm going to put the link in the description below. They're all open to talk to you and they're actually open to suggestions, which is really, really cool. So get them on Twitter, get them on Discord. It's an amazing product. It's built well, has no problems, very little heat, very little noise. I mean, guys, I put it on my desk. I didn't even realize it was there. The green light is always on when it's farming, so that's always good. It means you're making money, which is a nice reminder. So hope you guys liked the video. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and I will see you guys on the next one. Hawk out.